Ladies and gentlemen, this is your round two with new games, new fun, and more excitement. In saying that, the winners from round one will battle it out to see who walks forward and see who walks home.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, you heard it. Walking. Hey, Toes, how you doing?
Hey, man.
You are watching Popo Mano. And welcome back to round two, season 2 of your favorite game show, Popo Mano. Okay, very excited to be back. Feels amazing to be back, seeing our buzzers again, and of course seeing our lovely teams who have made it all the way to round 2. And calling up first, all the way from WDK. Please, ladies and gentlemen, let's give them a big hand of applause as they come on stage. Coming up first, we have Rosalie. Rosalie. Coming up next, we have Judith. Oh, there she goes. Judith and our third member. The big man was Salafalava team. Nice to see you guys. And Rosalie. And of course, oh yeah, and we have our bonus member, Nigel. Now on the opposition team, we have, who may played with us last year. Please welcome Mountain Kids. Mountain Kids, come on up. All together, don't worry, don't be shy. We have Dana. Sure, Dana. And we have Marie. And of course, my main man, Talo Falava team, and welcome to Popo Mano. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Talo Falava, and this is our first game of Popo Mano. First round, riddle me this. For information teams, riddle me this. I will give out the riddle. The first team to tap in gets 8 seconds to answer. Incorrect answer, we'll pass it over to the other team, and we'll go back and forth until we get the right answer. 10 points for the first question. Are you guys ready?
Yes.
Okay, our first question. What has to be broken before you can... We have Mountain Kids.
An egg.
An egg? An egg is correct, and 10 points for Mountain Kids. Nice one, Dana. Our second question. I'm tall when I'm young, and I'm short when I'm... Mountain Kids again with the fast buzz.
Candle.
Candle is correct, and 10 points again for Team Mountain Kids. Don't worry, WDK. Question 3. What is full of holes, but still holds water? Did you read our questions, Jordan? Jordana, yes?
It's a sponge.
Sponge is correct again. 10 points for Mountain Kid.
Good girl, Donna.
Question 4. What goes up, up? My friend, Nigel.
H.
Age is correct, and 10 points for Nigel. I like Nigel. Fifth question. What can you keep after giving it to someone? What can you keep after giving it to someone? WDK.
It's a promise.
Promise is good, and 10 points for WDK. That is the end of Riddle Me This. Thank you very much, teams. Shake it off, Donna and Nigel. Don't worry, and Victor and our other team members. And welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. This is our round 2, Pese Mai. We're going to play a small clip of the song, or a snippet, and we will pause the song. The team that continues to sing along, if it's good, we will give you 10 points. If it's so-so, I'll think about 5. Team Mountain Kids and WDK. You guys ready?
Yes.
Okay, first, to my left, WDK. Your song is... Mr. T. And that is good. Oh, hey, Nigel is pretty good. Nice one, Nigel. Team WDK. What does WDK stand for, my friends?
We don't know.
Oh, you definitely know Mr. T song. Over to Mountain Kids. Your song is... Let's see who's got those soprano notes. What do you think, Judge? You got it right. 10 points for Team Mountain Kids. And our third song, over to We Don't Know.
Every time I see you, I try to hide away. But when we meet, it seems I can't let go.
You can dance to it. Team? Nice one, everybody. The words were...
Every time you leave the room, I feel I'm fading like a flower.
Nice try. We'll get it next time, Nigel. Don't worry. And Judith and Wesley. Our fourth song for Mountain Kids. Mountain Kids.
I see that you're bleeding. You don't need to show me again. But if you decide to, I'm riding this life with you. I won't let go till the end.
Lady Gaga song? No Gaga fans? Okay, nice try. Team Mountain Kids. The words were...
So bright tonight. Don't you let go of my hand.
Question song number 5. Team WDK. Judith thinking very hard. Let's go, Judy.
In your arms, I can still feel the way you want me when you hold me. I can still hear the words you whispered when you told me.
I can stay right here forever in your arms.
I knew my going. Oh, yeah, nice. Oh, there you go. I can see those eyes. Okay. Question song number 6.
I need to get this.
I got this. We got this. Mountain Kids, are you ready?
Yes. Almost.
And that is good. Point for Team Mountain Kids. Everyone, please give a hand for our 2 teams. So far, that concludes round 2 of Pese Mai. Thank you very much, teams. We'll go for a short break and be back for round 3. And welcome back, everyone. everybody to round 3 of Popo Mano'o window shopping. I believe our teams have had quite the rush after round 2, but now we are going to see their knowledge of our products from our sponsors for today. Teams window shopping, the way it works, we will show you an item on the TV, on the screen, and you will write down the price of that item, give a guess. The closest answer without going over wins 10 points. So the nearest, but don't go over, okay? Okay, Team Mountain Kids and WDK. Your first window shopping item is a Jade Mushroom Soy Sauce, 15 kilograms. Moa in Frankie's Wholesale and Supermarket. Yes, Frankie's over there. Your family store where you can buy all your ingredient shopping for the week or for the day. Ooh. We look like we have some frequent shoppers. Remember, it's full Lima kilos. The big one, yeah. The one you have to carry from up. And can we see your answers? Both teams at the same time. Tolus Futala, Milet Team, WDK, and Toluvalu from Mountain Kids. The correct price is $45.20. The nearest without going over is Team Mountain Kids. Yeah. Second item for tonight is a smart sports watch. A smart sports watch from Business Systems Limited. If you haven't thought of a gift to give your dad for Father's Day next year, make sure to go get him this smart sports watch. Or your son, someone, a friend for White Sunday coming around the corner. Be sure to go to BSL where they sell the cheapest and the best quality sports watches. Prices from our two teams. 455 Oka from Team Mountain Kids and 120 from Team WDK. The correct price is 129. 10 points goes to Team WDK. Hey, which one of you has a sports watch? Nigel. I knew it was Nigel. Question 3. Drinko Pop 60 packs from Frankie's Wholesale and Supermarket.
50-50.
Drinko Pop, the one that replaced Tang. The best drinking thing, the best juice for kids on any event. Drinko Pop. Have you tried Drinko Pop, Nigel?
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Pretty good? Oh, pretty good. Thank you, Nigel. Thank you. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. From Team WDK, we have 12 Tala and 22 Tala from Mountain Kids. Nigel's team got it. 12 Tala, 70 centi. 12 Tala was the closest answer. Team WDK. Our fourth item is a KY series smart sunglasses from BSL. No teams, you want to play this round really well as BSL's giving out a voucher. You can go get yourselves this sunglasses or whatever. 50 Tala is the voucher from BSL. Okay, Jordana looks like she doesn't need these sunglasses. And 65 from WDK and 170 from Mountain Kids. The correct answer is 49. The closest, as you're both over, is WDK. Thank you, Wesley. Can I give this to you, good sir? 50 Tala voucher for you to go buy yourself some sunglasses or anything from BSL.
Good team.
Item number 5 is a Punja's Ceylon tea bags. Punja's tea, 50 tea bags inside this pack. Sold at Frankie's Wholesale and Supermarket. You might remember the face of this tea bag when mom calls you, "My say bouquet," and you have to stop whatever you're doing and make her the tea. Time is up. Teams, reveal your answers. Mountain Kids 590, WDK 250. The correct price is 6 tala, 70 cent. 10 points goes to Mountain Kid. Nice one, teams. Our last question. Come on, for 10 points. Is a Huawei ES330 mobile Wi-Fi found at Business Systems Limited. It's like in your pocket Wi-Fi that you can carry around anywhere, so you don't have to turn on your hotspot. Let's see. BSL is where they sell it. Thinking really hard. Don't remember. BSL is full of cheap stuff. Affordable prices. So you can go buy this anytime you want. Help with your kids, help with your work. Best choice. BSL. WDK. C'est là où limas full tala and almost full tala from Mountain Kids. You are both over, and the correct price is 49 tala. 10 points goes to Team Mountain Kids. And everybody, congratulations to our two teams. Don't worry, the game is still young. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to your round 4 of Bobo Mano Coconati. Thank you very much, teams. I hope you guys are ready. Coconati is played like Hangman, but better than Hangman, as we will be playing something even more dangerous. Did you guys know that more people are killed from being hit in the head by a coconut than people eaten by sharks in a year? If you don't believe me, you can Google it. So yeah, be careful. This is actually very dangerous. Our first puzzle is a movie title, and I believe WDK will be going first for their first letter guess. Good luck, teams. Over to WDK.
The letter A.
We have an A. Start with the vowels. We have 2 A's. For each correct letter, you have 2 points. Now over to Team Mountain Kids. You can solve whenever you like. You want to guess another letter?
Letter T.
T. Do we have a T? No T. Don't worry, don't worry. Over to Team WDK. It starts with an A. Third letter from the last word is A. Yes?
I.
I. Do we have an I? And nice try, Nigel. Over to Mountain Kids.
Letter E.
E. Do we have an E? We have 4 E's. 4 times 2 is 8, and 8 points for Mountain Kids. It's time to look familiar. Over to WDK. It's a movie title. Who doesn't love movies?
N.
N? Do we have an N? We have 2 N's. That's 4 points for WDK. Over to Mountain Kids. Looks like a N-I. Mountain Kids?
We'll go for L.
L. Do we have an L? Ooh. Nice try, Mountain Kids. Over to WDK.
Can you guess the name?
You guys want to solve?
Yes.
Go ahead. What do you think?
Avengers Endgame.
Ting ting, and Avengers Endgame is correct. Good job, WDK. Okay, teams. Mountain Kids and WDK, our second puzzle is a person. Person starting with Mountain Kids for their first letter. Remember, for every incorrect guess, we draw a part of the tree.
Letter E.
Do we have a letter E? We have 3 E's. That's 2 points. Yes, those are points for Mountain Kids. No tree trunk for you. Team WDK.
Letter I.
Letter I. Do we have an I? I is good. We have 2 I's. Over to Mountain Kids. Do you guys want to solve or guess another letter?
We'll go for T.
T. Do we have a T? That is correct for no tree trunk for anybody, huh? Team WDK. You want to solve or guess?
B.
B. Do we have a B? Oh my gosh. It is right there. We have 2 B's. I think I know what it is. Mountain Kids. You want to solve?
Me solve.
Yes, you can. Jordana, for your team?
Okay. Elizabeth of Edinburgh.
Elizabeth of Edinburgh? And it is correct.
Yeah.
Elizabeth of Edinburgh. The Queen, I presume. Yeah. Mountain Kids and WDK. Our third puzzle is a place. A place you might have known, and since we started second round with M Kids, Mountain Kids, over to WDK to start off our third puzzle.
A.
Is it A? Is there an A? Ooh, and there are a lot of A's. Good job, WDK. Over to Mountain Kids. Let's go. Hillary, Dana, and Marilyn. What's it gonna be?
Go for M.
M. Do we have an M? Oh, you get the tree trunk. Don't worry. Don't worry. WDK?
Letter N.
Do we have an N? Oh, and there are 2 N's. Nice, nice. Teams, Mountain Kids.
I'll
Over
go
to
for L.
L. Is there an L? I believe there is one L. Good save. WDK?
E.
E. Do we have an E? E for elephant. And we do 1 E. Mountain Kids, your chance.
We'll go for P.
P? Do we have a P?
Did you guys
Oh, you get the leaves. Remember, for every wrong guess, we draw part of the coconut tree. The coconut tree. For the game of coconutty, WDK?
D.
D. Do we have a D? And we do. Ooh. Over to Mountain Kids.
Is there an S?
S. Is there an S? 1 S. It's a sand. Something, something, sand, something. WDK?
The letter I.
Letter I. Do we have an I? And your first tree trunk. WDK. Over to Mountain Kids.
Yeah, we'll go for T.
T. Do we have a T? Coconuts are just above you. Mountain Kids. Don't worry. Nothing's fallen yet. WDK.
C.
Do we have a C? There are 2 C's. Nice one, WDK. Mountain Kids.
H.
Is there a H? And there is a H. Nice. Letter B. Do we have a B? And there are 2 B's. We have 2 words, and then the last 2 are sand beach. Be careful, Mountain Kids. 1 wrong guess, and a coconut will fall.
I'll go for K.
Do we have a K? And we have a K. Anna, Black Sand Beach. So, WDK, what's it gonna be?
G.
Do we have a G? And 1 G. Lucky. For Mountain Kids to steal. You can solve for 10 points, or you can guess the last letter to.
Yeah. We'll solve.
Jordana wants to solve.
Anganoa Black Sand Beach.
Anganoa Black Sand Beach is correct. And a lot of points for you. Nice try. Nice go, everybody. And our last puzzle teams from Mountain Kids and WDK. Olemea Faitino. Please answer in the Samoan alphabet. We've removed all the English letter alphabets from our list there. So A, E, I, O, U, all the way up to Ro. And first guess goes to Team Mountain Kids. Mountain Kids.
Ole A.
Apu, is it up there? Lua. 2. We have 2 letters. Go WDK. A. Do we have an E? Ooh, we get the tree trunk for WDK. Don't worry. Mountain Kids.
Ole O.
O. O. And there is an O. Over to WDK. Letter or song?
Saw.
Sa. Do we have a sa? We get the leaves. We have those leaves on top of WDK. Mountain Kids.
Ole T.
T Ta'avale. Atso is the first word. Great job, Mountain Kids. WDK, your chance. E. Ipu. Do we have one E? Good. One lucky guess. Good guess from WDK. Over to Mountain Kids.
Le La.
La Lomo. One la, nice. WDK. Ole Atto. What? Do you want to solve or guess?
Yes, we want to.
You want to solve. WDK. Rosale.
Atso New.
Atto New is correct and 10 points for WDK. Thank you very much, teams, for your patience. Ladies and gentlemen, that concludes round 4, Coconati. We'll be back for our lightning round after this short break. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. This is round 5 of Popo Manoa, the lightning round. And join with me is WDK. We have on top with us Wesley, Nigel, and of course Rosalie. Judith sitting this one out, supporting you guys from the sidelines. How do you guys feel so far with the game?
Great.
Great. Nigel?
Super.
Super. Well, I'm rooting for you guys. Good luck. The way lightning round works, I think you guys are familiar. I will try and go through as many questions as we can. Now we'll just move on after your answer, okay? Or you can say pass if you don't. Your time starts after I read the first question. In what city is the Eiffel Tower located?
Paris.
How many Pacific Island countries are there?
13.
What is the smallest muscle?
Stone.
Pass.
Yes.
True or false? Chocolate is lethal to dogs.
True.
What is the name of the largest country in the world by land and area? Land area.
Brazil.
How many arms does a squid have?
8.
In the Bible, what was Ruth's husband called?
Boaz.
Snowflakes usually have how many sides?
8.
What is Japanese sake made from?
Wine.
In which galaxy do we live?
Pass.
True or false? There are native snakes in New Zealand.
False.
Do tongues have more or less than 5,000 taste buds?
True.
What is the name of Eve's third son?
Sith.
Whose nose grew when he told a lie?
Pinocchio.
Pinocchio.
Pinocchio. Thank you very much, guys. I hope you guys had a lot of fun. But before you guys leave, and for the sake of our audience watching, I want to give you guys a gift. I've liked you guys so far, mainly to your captain here for doing such a great job. Rosalie, I want to give you this say. For your information, ladies and gentlemen watching from home, if you put it on the left side, you are available, single, or free. If you put it on the right side, you are taken, or stuck. You put it in the middle. You don't know if you're coming or you're going. And if you put it at the back, it'll follow you to that big tree at the back over there, okay? So this is for you. Where do we go?
Thank you. In the middle?
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that is all from WDK. Our next team. Ladies and gentlemen, we are now joined with Team Mountain Kids for their lightning round. Hello, guys. Hillary, Jordana, and Victor. For your information, ladies and gentlemen watching at home, TV5 is the home of happy families, and joined here is one of the newest families that we're able to be part with TV5. My friend Victor and Hillary, how are you guys so far?
Oh, we're good, thank you.
Great. And friend Jordana from Team Mountain. Of course. Remember, guys, what happens in Popo Manoa stays in Popo Manoa.
Okay.
No arguing in the car. You shut up. Okay, but now down to business. We will try and go through as many questions as we can. Hillary is your leader, yes?
Yep.
And yep, good luck to all of you.
Thank you.
Your time starts after I read the first question. In what city is the Eiffel Tower located?
Paris.
How many Pacific Island countries are there?
3,000.
What is the smallest muscle?
The ear muscle?
True or false? Chocolate is lethal to dogs.
True.
What is the name of the largest country in the world by land area?
Russia.
How many arms does a squid have?
8.
In the Bible, what was Ruth's husband called?
Boaz.
Snowflakes usually have how many sides?
8.
What is Japanese sake made from?
Rice.
In which galaxy do we live?
Milky Way.
Milky Way.
True or false? There are native snakes in New Zealand.
True.
Do tongues have more or less than 5,000 taste buds?
More.
What is the name of Eve's third son?
Seth.
Whose nose grew when he told a lie?
Pinocchio.
Which Asian country has the most wild tigers in the world?
Korea.
Thailand.
Thailand is your final answer. Thank you very much, Team Mountain Kids. Great job to Dana, Victor, and of course Marilyn and our supporters from the sideline. We will call you guys back shortly to go over the answers. Thank you again. Welcome back, everybody, and we have just gone through the lightning round with Team Mountain Kids and Team WDK. It was, in fact, very intense. Now we're going to go through all of your answers, see which were right and which were close, but not quite there. For the first question, we've asked both teams, in what city is the Eiffel Tower located? Both teams answered Paris. Correct answer was Paris. Second question. How many Pacific Island countries are there? WDK answered 13. Mountain Kids answered 3,000. A very big answer. But the correct answer is 15 countries. Unfortunately, no one got it right. Question number 3. What is the smallest muscle? We got a pass from WDK and the ear from Mountain Kids. Correct answer is the ear. Mountain Kids got it. True or false? Chocolate is lethal to dogs. Both answered true. Both get 10 points. Question 5. What is the name of the largest country in the world by land area? WDK answered Brazil. Mountain Kids answered Russia. Correct answer was Russia. Mountain Kids got those points. How many arms does a squid have? Both answered 8. The correct answer is 10. Wasn't that right? But remember, the wife is always right. Yeah, take it or leave it. Question 10. In which galaxy do we live? We got a pass from WDK. The Milky Way from Mountain Kids. The correct answer is Milky Way. Mountain Kids got it? Don't worry. True or false, there are native snakes in New Zealand? Mountain Kids answered true. WDK, false. Correct answer is false. There are no native snakes. Do tongues have more or less than 5,000 taste buds? Both said more. Correct answer is more, 9,000. They have more than 9,000. 13th question, what is the name of Eve's third son? Both answered Seth. Both got it right. Whose nose grew when he told a lie? Both got it right. It was in fact Pinocchio. Last question, unfortunately, WDK just short, but Mountain Kids were able to get there. Which Asian country has the most wild tigers in the world? You guys answered Thailand. The correct answer is India. India has the most wild tigers. Please give a big hand for yourselves. Teams. Well, it was great having both teams today. And unfortunately, there can only be one winner. However, you are all winners in my eyes, but the total points of today's game. WDK coming in with 184 points, and Mountain Kids with 222 points. Give a big hand for us. Mountain Kids, congratulations. Don't worry, that 10 was not so bad. Congratulations, guys. You guys are moving forward to the next round, but WDK, it was great having you all today. I had fun with you guys, everyone. And yes, unfortunately, there's always, you guys have made it to round 2. Not many people can say that. Hopefully to see you guys again next year or around in town somewhere. Thank you very much, Team WDK. It was fun having both teams today, but that is the end of our game. I hope you guys had fun. Did you guys have fun?
Yes.
Thank you, Samoa. That is all from me. That is all from Mountain Kids, WDK, and TV5. Until next time, Tofase 4.